Hi, I am Sartaj Alam, a MERN Stack developer, and I have built a movie ticket booking website using React, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. Let's take a look at the future and code. This is my hero section, and previous video I have show you navbar section, and today I will show you my hero section. So this is my hero section. Here we have a background image, then we have a thumbnail, and we have a detail. Here we have title, description, movie duration, rating, and release date. Then we have language, genres, and price. And then we have a book ticket, and it will slide, and hero section change every 5 seconds, and this is fully responsive. Let's check the its responsiveness. This is fully responsive, and this is hamburger. Now let's check the implementation of this hero section. First, let's see the assets folder where we have images and some dummy data. This is assets.js, and this is imported, and this is dummy data where we have hero background, thumbnail, title, description, duration, release date, rating, genres, language, and price. I will add more thing in future we need. Then I create a page folder and create home.js. After that, I set up React Router DOM. React Router DOM is used to when we need to navigate one page to another page without loading. This is main.js, and here I import browser router and cover app.js in browser router. This is app.js where I import navbar, and this is routes. Here I have only one route, that is home page. Now let's talk about home page. This is my home page code. Here I create movie state for storing movie details, and then I use ref, and this is use effect. Here I have a function change hero background in every 5 seconds. This line is used to toggle index between 0 to 2, and after changing index it will change the state value, and this is interval, and it will call this function every 5 seconds, and after ending it will clear the interval. Now let's see the UI code. Here I use framer motion, and I don't know more about framer motion, but I have learned it from ChatGPT and few YouTube channels. This is black overlay. I use it for my background will show dark. Now this is hero content section. This is my main div. Then we have left side div. Here I also use framer motion for sliding right to left. Movie heading, movie description, movie duration, language section, genre section, then price, and last we have button. Then this is right section, and here we have image. This is fully responsive website that I had shown you. in my UI section. If you want to see my code, you can check my description, and if you see any error and mistake in my code, please correct me and inform me. Thank you for watching my videos.